Now the biggest question about this bike is it worth the price? यार प्राइस तो इसका क्या 3.3 lakhs एक्स शोरूम है, ऑलमोस्ट 4+4 4.1 टाइप ऑन रोड जाती है विद डिस्काउंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. यू कैन एज्यूम इट इज़ 4 lakhs ऑन रोड. द प्राइस इज डेफिनेटली हायर because our direct competitor is the Xpulse. You see the Xpulse Rally Pro model is 1.8, 1.9 lakhs on road. This is double the price. Let me be very fair to both the bikes. Xpulse is a very good platform, but as a stock motorcycle, it is horrible. The 200 Xpulse is horrible. The ergonomics are very bad. The weight distribution is very bad. The bike is heavy. The power is coming up in the higher revs. There is hardly any low end torque, medium end torque. So that all is opposite to what we need on trails and off-roading. Kawasaki, on the other hand, it offers amazing agility, amazing nimbleness. It is lightweight and जो power delivery वगैरह भी है, it is just good enough to keep you going. Torque and power इसके decent है, better than Xpulse I would say. सस्पेंशन भी स्टॉक फॉर्म में बेटर है, रैली सस्पेंशन उसका थोड़ा सा बेटर है, बट इंटरमीडिएट राइडर्स भी इसको ज़्यादा पसंद करेंगे क्योंकि राइड क्वालिटी बहुत प्लस है एंड बहुत ही कंफर्ट आता है एंड बाइक आपको एक निम्बल लगती है. सीट हाइट ऑब्वियसली लोअर है और जो अर्गोनॉमिक्स है ना ओवरऑल वो बहुत ही इसकी सुपीरियर है. अब भी एक क्वेश्चन आया था कि लेटेस्ट से मैंने एक्सपल्स ले लिया एंड आई मॉडिफाई इट टू माई लाइकिंग एज आई हैव डन hell lot of modification on my motorcycle. So even if you modify your Xpulse a lot, that will cost you at least a lakh with the T plate, custom T plate, with the foot peg hanger, with the better handlebar, with the you can say the rally suspension, rally seat. Still, what it will lack is the riding dynamics. You can fix the ergonomics, power. You can fix a lot of tweaks and everything, but you will lose that the dynamics, the way the weight balance is there. Xpulse is top heavy. This is bottom heavy, so it feels very flickable. It is very light and agile. So you can say 3 lakhs a new Xpulse will cost with all the modifications and 4 lakhs for this bike. I would say this bike is better. It's up to you whether you are willing to spend that extra. Touring के हिसाब से सोच रहे हो तो भाई I think this does not make sense. But for city riding, for if you want to grab attention, if you want to feel like a young boy, definitely this bike is better. And it's just that if you can afford it, why not? And as I said earlier, if you are getting back into motorcycling, you're almost 40 and you want to ride out bikes again, I think this is a very good starting point for all your adventure activities, for all your off-road duties, for all your city riding. Lightweight है तो यार easy हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा power भी नहीं, you don't have to think about too many things at the same time. So you will be comfortable and couple of years later, you will be, when you are hands-on on this bike, then you can definitely upgrade to a bigger bike. So definitely a good starter bike for that age group, or even if you're young, you want to get into off-roading, this is a very good starting point.